Introduction: what is training and development? Training and development in human resource management is the process of acquiring knowledge, skills, and attitude that helps improve employees' job performance and enables future career growth. Training refers to acquiring specific knowledge and skills for a particular job or task. It is usually a short-term activity concerned with improving an employee's current job performance. It includes formal training courses, on-the-job training, or coaching sessions. Development is concerned with the long-term growth of an individual's career. It usually covers acquiring knowledge that goes beyond the requirements of their current job to prepare the employees for their future job role or career advancement opportunities. Development activities include job shadowing, mentoring, attending conferences, or pursuing further education. Employees can enhance their job performance, career growth, and job satisfaction through training and development. In contrast, organizations can benefit from better employee engagement, retention, and higher productivity. Next, Background Organization (EMGS). Education Malaysia Global Services is a company limited by guarantee (CLBG) under the purview of the Ministry Higher Education Malaysia. It was established since April 13, 2012. EMGS was operate a one-stop center for international students. It is located near the Kuala Lumpur City Centre, KLCC, and the place it was very convenient with the transportation which LRT and monorail. Next is key concept. The key concept of training and development is the continuous process of improving skills, gaining knowledge, clarifying concepts, and changing attitudes through structured and planned education. This process enhances the productivity and performance of employees, ultimately benefiting the organization. First key concept is on the job training. On-the-job training involves employees learning while performing their regular work tasks. This method allows employees to gain practical experience and apply new skills immediately. For example, a new employee in a manufacturing plant might be paired with an experienced worker to learn how to operate machinery. This hands-on approach helps employees understand the nuances of their job, fosters a sense of responsibility, and allows for immediate feedback and correction. It is particularly effective for roles that require specific technical skills and real-time problem solving. Second is classroom training. Classroom training is a traditional method where employees attend lectures or workshops conducted by trainers. This method is effective for teaching theoretical knowledge and concepts. For instance, a company might organize a series of workshops on leadership skills for its managers. These sessions can include presentations, group discussions, and case studies to help participants understand leadership theories and apply them in their roles. Classroom training provides a structured environment for learning and encourages interaction and collaboration among employees. Next is e-learning. E-learning involves using digital platforms to deliver training programs. This method is flexible and allows employees to learn at their own pace and convenience. For example, an organization might offer an online course on cybersecurity awareness that employees can complete over a few weeks. E-learning can include multimedia elements such as videos, quizzes, and interactive modules to enhance engagement. It is particularly useful for organizations with a geographically dispersed workforce. Mentorship programs. Mentorship programs pair less experienced employees with seasoned professionals who provide guidance and support. This relationship helps ments develop their skills, gain insights into the organization, and advance their careers. For example, a junior software developer might be mentored by a senior developer to learn best practices in coding and project management. Mentorship programs foster a culture of continuous learning and knowledge sharing, and they help build strong professional relationships within the organization. Let's move to the next, which is human resources management best practices. First practice that can develop in EMGS is soft skills development. Soft skills development is crucial for fostering a productive, collaborative, and harmonious workplace. Employees can develop the skills effectively through communication skills, teamwork activities, and collaboration. Organize regular workshops on effective communication and presenting skills. Plus, it encourages cross-departmental projects that require employees to work together towards a common goal. EMGS can create a well-rounded workforce capable of effectively communicating, collaborating, and leading, ultimately contributing to a positive organizational culture and improved performance. Second is evaluation and feedback. Evaluation and feedback are critical components of an effective training and development programs. They help ensure that training initiatives are meeting their objectives and provide insights for continuous improvement. For example, before any training programs begin, clearly define what aim to achieve so that it will be aligned during the programs. Also, provide ongoing support to reinforce the training before prepare comprehensive reports on training outcomes. By systematically evaluating training programs and collecting feedback, EMGS can ensure that their training initiatives are effective, relevant, and continuously improving. Last, EMGS can practice through need assessment. Needs assessment is a systematic process used to determine and address gaps between current conditions and desired conditions or needs. Employee may develop a training plan such determine the resources required, including budget, trainers, and materials. EMGS can develop targeted training programs that effectively address the identified gaps, leading to a more skilled and capable workforce. Next, move to the suggestion to make an improvement to an organization. First suggestion is craft clear and attractive job ads. Effective job ads help you evaluate candidates on job-related criteria. Work with your company's hiring managers to create job descriptions that give specific and helpful information about available positions. Include any projects or teams your new hire will be working with in the job description. Differentiate between needs that are must-have and those that are nice-to-have in order to avoid discouraging applicants who may pick up supplementary talents on the job. Generally speaking, limit your list of must-haves to no more than 6 bullet points. For example, if we are an organization, make sure our job titles are clear. Second is improve employee onboarding and orientation experience. An organization must ensure that all new hires are in the system. It's a good practice to double-check that all new hires have access to the various company systems, such as payroll and employee benefits. Also, make sure that PTO is accruing as expected. Another way is an organization set goals for the coming month. Last suggestion is improve training and development. Every manager needs to have a plan in place to make sure that feedback is conveyed clearly. Let's say we put ourselves in position as manager. We must be constructive in critiques throughout this period. Attempt to offer recommendations and remedies rather than just drawing attention to our shortcomings. When it makes sense, include specific statistics and figures in your feedback plan. This aids staff members in precisely assessing their own performance, highlighting particular areas of strength, and pinpointing areas in need of development. Next, implication of training method for managerial position. First implication is easy to solve the problem and conflict resolution. Effective training can equip managers with the skills needed to handle conflicts and solve problems efficiently. So, if the managers have effective training, they can lead to smoother operations. Second implication is strong leadership style. Training method can shape the leadership style management. For example, if the training emphasizes participative decision-making, managers are likely to adopt a more democratic leadership style. Next is excellent organizational culture. Training method can influence the organizational culture. If the training focuses on values such as innovation, managers are more likely to embody and promote these values within their teams. Lastly is succession planning. Training for managerial positions play an important role in succession planning. Organizations that invest in comprehensive leadership development programs are better positioned to groom internal talent for future leadership role. For conclusion, EMGS concludes a promising project to develop and recruit the main power to ensure the success of the organization. And training and development is one of the important things in the organization. Without training and development, it will make the productivity and the organization become lower.